Sneeze. I love it when I sneeze. What phonemes do we hear in the word sneeze? Sm, e, z. Sm, e, z. Now the graphemes is when we write it. You can hear there's a consonant blend, sm, followed by an e. That is a long vowel sound. 5 long vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U. One of the ways of writing an E is the double vowel. First one does the talking, second one keeps on walking. Or first one does the talking, second one shuts up. So you only hear the first E. Sm, E, Z. Now you think it would be that, hey, on its own. But there's something little extra and silent at the end. It's the E. So you have to remember that secret little E at the end. I actually say sneeze E. How do you spell sneeze or sneeze E at the spelling bee? You'd have to say the name of the letters. So you'd say S-N-E-E-Z-E. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze.